For my full IM, I chose a blog due to my audience being teachers. So how the teacher can do this is they can do pages, and some of the pages I've created for them are journals, research, presentations, the one that I included in my planning. So then you can view their posts, but since I haven't created any because I'm not the teacher, they can see them all here and what people see on theirs. I'll open one that I've done just to show you what it can look like. So this is what it looks like for viewers once you have like actual posts and other stuff. So what they can do is make their own about what they've done and how advocacy has affected their classroom. And it's very easy for them to use. It's very self-explanatory. You just new post and you put the title of the post and then you type what you need and then you publish. And that's about it.